Okay, this is going to be our first video on linear regression, and what it's going to do for us is if I have a set of data, we could fit a linear model to the data in Excel, so that's what I'm in right now. And the first step in this process is just to select all your data. I've put the X and Y, so I know these are the X values, these are the Y values. Each row is a coordinate, and then I'm going to go to Insert, then I'm going to go over to Charts. And I like the one that's right to the above and to a little bit to the right of the word chart. It says Insert XY Scatter. I hit the little down arrow there. I like the one of just the dots. I don't want anything else on there, just the coordinates. So I'm going to bring this up here so we can see. And that's my scatter plot. So here I have some data, and I can sort of see a line going through it. I mean, it's pretty linear, but it's not exactly linear. That's why we're going to do regression to fit what's called the best fit model or regression linear model. This is how you do it. So I'm going to click off here, click on the chart, see how this plus comes up? Do that again. Click on the chart, plus, go ahead and hit the plus, and then listen to what I say, don't get in a rush. Go down to trend line, but don't click on it. Now you see how it's putting a trend line in there with dots. Go over to the arrow, and then click on that arrow. And then don't get in a rush again. Go down to more options. Now, as I go down, you see how it's trying to fit different types of models to that. We're just going to go to more options and click. Now I have to move my screen a little bit, so bear with me. And I'm going to get rid of that and hit plus again until I get what I actually want, which is this menu there. Now, I'm going to guess that, move this down. Okay, now we can see everything. I can choose these different types, but the one I want is linear, okay, because that's going to be the best fit for this particular set of data, more than likely, for the moment. So what I need you to do after you get to this stage and finding this menu, again, I just closed that and hit plus and went through the process until I got this menu. It should come up the first time for you. Go down to display equation on chart, and then the box right below that, check that as well, display our square value on the chart. And then you can click and move that up. And you can't take it off the screen, but you can move it up there. And I can go back and format the size, which I'm just doing to make it a little easier for you to see on the screen right now. So the line of best fit for my data is y equals 3.7413x plus 22.426. So the 3.7413 is an approximation for the slope of the line that fits that data best. And 22.426 is the y value of the y-intercept that fits this line best. So that's your model, that's your equational line. R squared is a measure of how effective this line's fitting the data. The closer that value is to a positive 1, the better the model. So on our next lab, you're going to be given some data. You're going to get into Excel. You're going to repeat this process. Okay?